we are going to start with question 1 and we will do 1.1 and 1.2. So question 1.1.1, it says factorize 3y squared plus 1. So what we have to do is to take out the common factor. As you can see, 3y squared is the multiplication of 3y and y, and y it will be just y. So now here our common factors, we can see it's y, because this side we've got a y and that side a y. So that means we're going to take out our y, and it will be y into 3 and the 1y left. So it will be plus 1 because this y is cancelled out with that one. So it will be y into 3y plus 1, and that will be our final answer. Then we go to the next question, x squared plus 10x minus 24. So here what we have to do is to look for the factors of x squared and negative 24, in which if we add them, they'll give us negative 10x. So the factors of x squared, it's x and x. And the factors of negative 24, we simply have positive 2 and negative 12. If we multiply these together, they'll give us negative 24. So that means we have to cross multiply this. X multiplied by negative 12, it is possibly negative 12x. X multiplied by positive 2, it is positive 2x. So negative 12x plus positive 2x, it is negative 10x. So finally we got our middle answer. So that means this is how we are going to arrange our brackets. So it will be x plus 2 into x minus 12. So x plus 2, x minus 12. That's our final answer for here. And when we come here, this is possibly grouping, but we don't know how we are going to group this, because 9x squared, if we group it with this, we can't simplify those further. So that means you have to group them into trinomials. It is going to be 9x squared minus our trinomial bracket. So it's going to be negative into negative y squared. It's possibly positive y squared. Negative into positive 10y. It's possibly going to be negative 10. Negative into negative 25. It's positive 25. So now we are there. Now we have to factorize this, just like what we did over here. We're going to look for the factors of y squared and positive 25. That gives us negative 10. So those of y, we have y and y. And positive 25, we have negative 5 and negative 5. So if we cross multiply this, it's going to be y multiplied by negative 5, negative 5y, and then y multiplied by negative 5, negative 5. So these two give us negative 10. So we're going to let our bracket down. X squared minus y minus 5, y minus 5. So now if we see this together, that means it's just y minus 5 squared. That's our answer. So it's 9x squared minus y minus 5 squared. So let's just see this as one number, just like how we see this number here. And we do difference between two squares. So it's going to be the square root of 9x squared is 3x minus y minus 5. That's our first bracket. And then next one, 3x plus y minus 5. Our second bracket. Now we are there. We just have to remove these brackets inside. So that means it's going to be 3x negative into positive y, it's negative y. Negative into negative 5 is positive 5. Like that. And for this one, 3x positive into positive y is positive y. Positive into negative 5, it's negative 5. and that is our final answer. After that, we come to this one in which we have to simplify. So we have to multiply this bracket and that bracket so that you can remove the bracket. So it's simply 4 multiplied by 2, it's 8. Then 4 multiplied by 3 over x, it's negative 3 over x, so it's going to be negative 12 over x, like that. And then 1 over x multiplied by 2 is positive 2 over x. 1 over x multiplied by 3, negative 3 over x, it's negative 3 over x squared. So now our like terms are there in the middle. All we have to do is add. So negative 12 over x plus 2 over x, it is negative 10 over x. So our final answer will be 8 minus 10 over x minus 3 over x squared. That will be our final answer. Let's say 8. Then we come to the next one. All we have to do here is factorize this, the top value. So the common factor is 5 into x minus 1 over 5x. And the 5s, they cancel each other. Our final answer will be x minus 1 over x. That will be our final answer. And then as for this one, when we see an addition sign or subtraction sign, when you are dealing with, as for the last one in question 1.2, as we said, we remove common factors when we see a positive sign or a negative sign. So let's just break this down. It's going to be 3 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power 1, that is this, and then plus 3 to the power x all over. Now 27, we know that is 3 cubed multiplied by 3 to the power negative 1 multiplied by 3 to the power x. So now here we have to take out our common factor. The common factor here is 3x. So it's going to be 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 1 plus 1, because this will be taken out, all over 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power negative 1 multiplied by 3x. Now as you can see, this will be cancelled with this. Now it's for here. Now here we are left with 3 plus 1 on the numerator side. In the denominator we are left with 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 1. So if values bases are added, multiply each other, we simply add the bases. So it's going to be 4 all over 3 to the power 3, and then this one plus negative 1 is simply going to be minus 1, which is 4 over 3 squared, which is equals to 4 over 9, and that will be our final answer. So from this step to this step to this step, then you come forward to this step, after that this step, this one, and this is our final step. So please subscribe to my channel so that I can do question 2 of this question paper.